guys, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. If you are new to my channel, I invite you to subscribe. And if you are part of my family, thank you so much for all your support. But today, I want to share with you a very delicious recipe. Chicken and buttery lemon juice that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients. I have salt, parsley, onion flakes, lemon pepper spice. I have cornstarch, lemon, 1 chile serrano, butter, garlic cloves, chicken broth, and of course the star, the chicken breast. This is everything we need to make this delicious and amazing recipe. So let's get started. I want to start first here with my salt and my lemon pepper. I'm going to go ahead and start adding 1 tablespoon of each, and then I'm just going to incorporate it. This is what I'm going to add to my chicken breast. I have the chicken breast here. I'm going to just sprinkle some on the top, and then I'm going to flip it over and do the same thing. This is the very important step. You want to season your chicken breast. Once this is done, we're going to put it aside, and I'm going to continue. I have my chicken broth here. I'm going to add my cornstarch to it, and then I'm just going to incorporate it completely. Making these steps just the way I'm making them, it's gonna make it so easy to prepare this amazing recipe. I have my lemon here. I'm gonna slide it through the center, and I'm gonna get all the delicious and amazing juice out of this lemon. This is a organic lemon from my garden. This one has seeds, so I'm just gonna make sure that I remove all the seeds and some of the pulp. Now that I have it ready, I'm going to put it aside, and I'm going to continue with my 3 garlic cloves. I'm going to smash them just like that, and then I'm going to cut them in very small little pieces. Dice it very good. Once this is done, I'm just going to put it here in this plate. I'm going to reserve it, and when I'm ready, I am going to use this amazing garlic. Look at this. Okay, I am going to put it aside, and I'm going to continue with my onion flakes and with my parsley. I have a little plate here where I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of each, and I'm going to incorporate it. So everything is incorporated, and I am almost ready to prepare this amazing dish. Here I have my serrano chili, which is optional because I love spicy food, but 1 serrano chili is really going to just give it a delicious kick. I have a lemon here that I'm just going to slice. I'm going to get 2 or 3 slices only. I'm going to cut them through the center and have it ready so that I could garnish my chicken breast with this lemon slices. Okay, I'm adding everything in here so that you are ready and prepared to make this amazing recipe. Look at this. Okay, let me show you. I have the chicken breast well seasoned from both sides. I have the chicken broth with the cornstarch already incorporated, the parsley and the onion flakes, the diced garlic, the diced serrano chili, lemon juice, the butter, and the sliced lemons. Let's go to the stove. My pan is nice and hot. The first thing I'm going to do is add my butter. I'm going to add the butter. Once the butter has melted completely, I am going to start adding the chicken breast, just like that. I'm gonna let it cook from 3 to 5 minutes until it's nice and crispy from that side, okay? You just wanna flip it twice. So now that it's nice and crispy, I'm gonna go ahead and flip the chicken breast, and I'm going to let it cook for another 3 to 4 minutes so that it is crispy from both sides. Once this is done, look at this. You want the crispiness to be right on the top and on the bottom of the chicken breast, and the center is going to be really juicy and delicious. Now I'm ready to remove the chicken breast, and I am ready to make this delicious lemony butter sauce. I'm going to add the garlic. I'm going to incorporate it into the butter. I am going to add the serrano chili, which is optional. If you don't like spicy food, do not add the chile serrano. I'm going to add the chicken broth with the cornstarch, the lemon juice, and I'm just going to incorporate it. Right when you add all these ingredients, it starts getting nice and thick. And let me show you from close up so that you could see that this sauce is really nice and thick, not overwhelming, but look at this. All these delicious flavors are gonna coat the chicken so good and so amazing that you guys are going to really love this recipe. Now I'm ready to start adding the chicken breast right into that delicious and amazing sauce, and of course the drippings of the chicken, I am going to add it into it like this. I'm going to add the parsley and the onion flakes right on the top, making sure that I cover it completely. And of course, I'm going to add some of this delicious and amazing sauce right on the top of the chicken. I'm going to do this a couple times, and once they are nice and coated with the liquid that is really creamy, I'm going to coat it really good. The aroma that this is releasing is just amazing. My mouth is already watering. And look at this. Look how you could see how thick this juice is. Oh, I would call it gravy. Look at this. This looks amazing. And I am sure that it tastes delicious. Well, now that I'm coating the chicken really good, I'm going to coat it one more time, making sure that everything is really coated, and then I'm just going to cover it for about 20 minutes. During that time, the chicken is going to really absorb the delicious flavor of the lemon and the garlic. Once this is done, after the 20 minutes, you could really see that the chicken is really soft, tender, but yet it's so golden brown from the top. Now I'm just ready to garnish it with the slices of the lemon. I am going to enjoy this amazing recipe with some asparagus. The asparagus, I'm just going to add them to the sides, and then I'm just going to let it cook for just 2 to 3 minutes. Remember, you don't want to overcook the asparagus. You want the asparagus to still be al dente so that they're still crunchy when you are enjoying them. Okay, now I'm ready to plate the chicken, and look at this. The asparagus are still really al dente with all those juices of the lemon. And now the chicken looks amazing. And of course, I am going to add the gravy, that delicious sauce that really gave this chicken an amazing flavor. The chicken is really toasted from the top and the bottom, but yet the center is really soft and juicy. And this is exactly how you want to enjoy this amazing chicken recipe. Of course, you could add any kind of side dish, but here I'm going to enjoy it with my family with some greens, some asparagus, and I don't want to talk no more. I want to enjoy this delicious chicken. So I'll see you in just a little bit. right, friends, I am completely done with this delicious buttery lemon chicken. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I added some asparagus because that's the way I'm going to enjoy them here with my family. Let's see how this came out. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Perfection, made at home. I hope, my friends, you make it at home. You enjoy it with your family like I enjoyed here with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.